So it is midnight. It is Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, midnight, and I'm in the office right now. And it is coming down. Look at this. I mean, unbelievable. Unbelievable. You can hear the weather report in the back. There you go. Now you can see. You can hear the weather report in the background. You can see the reflection of inside too there, but you can see the rain coming down in sheets as well. So, just unbelievable. The pool's overflowing, of course, and look at this, just still going, hasn't really stopped the entire time. So I'll let this ride for a little while, and oops. There we go. We're focused now. So I'm gonna let this run for another, I don't know, 15 seconds and then call it, because this is just pretty much it. Really isn't much else to see, because I'm not going out there right now.